What's up guys, Cliff here with the Sunday Drive. Thanks for watching. Today we're going to show you how to solve the problem of where to mount your cell phone in your XJ Cherokee. Now my brother and I just picked up this 94 XJ, and the first thing that I noticed was that there was no good place to hold my cell phone, especially for navigating, and not surprising because cell phones didn't really exist back in 94. So I wanted to find a good solution for mounting my phone in this XJ. Now we decided to go with the ProClip mounting solution, and the reason for this was that I've used this same system successfully in my Camaro for about 5 to 6 years, and it's worked out really well. So it's had a good track record. And I decided to go with their system for my XJ, and they have different mounting solutions for pretty much any vehicle, so you guys can check out their website in the link below. One of my favorite things about this system is that it's extremely simple. It will work with pretty much any cell phone case, given that you get the correct base. And the only tool that you'll need that isn't provided is a Phillips head screwdriver. They do provide you with a gap opener tool, and that's the only other thing you need. So it's very easy to install this regardless of your vehicle. So for my application, we're going to be installing this mount right here. I like this because it doesn't block any vents on the vehicle. We're just going to remove this double-sided tape that they have right here. And that's the nice thing also about these. They come pre-installed with any tape that is required for your specific installation. Now we're going to push the gap opener down in between here. All right. And now you want to have this lined up so that this clip is going to fit inside this part of your trim right here. So line that up, and then we're going to push. We're going to take this, and it's basically going to clip on that outside edge right there. And we're going to bring it around and pop it behind that front trim. You can see I'm pulling at that, and it's mounted very securely now. Now one thing that I'm noticing right off the bat that I may change in the future is you might want to put a little bit of double-sided tape or some felt behind the clip right here, just to make sure you don't scratch up your faceplate on this trim right there. Otherwise, this is a very clean and simple install. I love it because you don't have to screw anything in your dash. There's no suction cups up on your windshield obscuring your vision. It's just a nice clean fit. It also doesn't block any of the vents. Some solutions in different vehicles require blocking an air vent. For this solution, nothing's blocked, so it's really nice, and it's in a good location. It's not going to be in your way of using your shifter or anything like that. Now that we have the base installed, we can go ahead and install the phone mount. This is a swivel system, so you can put it to any direction you want. You can also rotate it around. In order to mount this, you're going to want to take a Phillips screwdriver and loosen up the center screw there in the middle. You're going to pop off the base. Now you'll want to take the base and line it up with the mounting holes, and you'll take the provided Phillips screws and install this. Don't need to over tighten these, just make sure they're snug. Now we can put the cell phone base on. And you don't want to make it too tight because you do want to be able to swivel it. If you have a position that you like it in, you can obviously get it in that position and then tighten it down and it'll remain there. I like to be able to move the phone around, so I like to leave that a little bit loose. Now this is one of the adjustable bases that we got. They do make stationary bases as well as charging bases, but I have one of the adjustable ones, and as you can see right now, it's a little bit narrow for my phone. So we're going to take a smaller Phillips screwdriver and just loosen up these two set screws. You can see that slides out. And then what we're going to do is put the phone in here, push it back together to where we want it, pull the phone out, and tighten up the two set screws. There we go, we got the phone mounted. As you can see, we can rotate it around, change the angle. So it really gives you a lot of flexibility, and now I have a very nice mounting location for my phone where I'll be able to navigate from without having to fumble around with it and not really have a place to put it in the vehicle. Now, I've driven with the phone mount for a few hundred miles. It hasn't introduced any rattles or anything. It's not shaking or vibrating. It's very secure. The only detraction that I will say is that it does sit a little bit far from the driver. If you're sitting parked somewhere and you want to enter in a new address for navigating or something else on the phone, you do have to lean over to reach it. So I'm about 5'9", and it is a little bit far for me to reach comfortably. That's the only detraction. However, with how the mount sits in the vehicle for navigation, I really like it, and I'm definitely happy with the purchase and plan to keep using it for quite a while. Now, there is a quick mount release that you can get from ProClips. I actually have that in my Camaro, and we'll overlay some footage here. But basically, it allows you to hot swap the phone base from the car mount itself. So if you have a few different phones in your family and you don't want to screw the base itself directly into the mount, you can install that quick mount, and then this base will just pop on and off so that you can quickly swap it for a different base. So that's it, guys. That's how you install the ProClip mounting solution in your XJ Cherokee. Very simple, clean install. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to give us a thumbs up and a like. We'll have links to these products down in the description of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys here next time.